Hi Dharmesh, we finally reached halfway stage at the IPL. Almost.
Yes. And we missed out discussing so many matches and so many exciting things have happened. I think this year's IPL has been completely different. It's, I think every year we say that, but this year truly, I think bowlers have, it feels like the bowlers have a huge disadvantage. उनका कोई value नहीं बचा है because people are scoring at 200 plus strike rates and that's not even surprising. Now अभी कोई नहीं करता था सिर्फ अरे इसने क्यों नहीं मारा, 30 बॉल में 80 क्यों नहीं मारा अभी तक.
अभी 200 तो ऐसा नहीं होता है तो लगता है कि
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, it's you were like क्यों नहीं किया इतना. That's it's not shocking anymore कि 200 plus का strike rate है किसी का. So batsmen are targeting bowlers, they're targeting boundaries, they're not even looking to just score, they were looking to only hit sixes, which is amazing. Which, and I mean,
15-year-old refuses to respect Bumrah, Bolt, Pandya, Santner, Rabada. He's treating them like gully cricket bowlers.
Absolutely, he's treating them like, and I could have said that he's treating them like domestic level cricketers, but he's not even played domestic himself. वो तो सीधा यहाँ पे आ गया IPL.
But Vaibhav Suryavanshi phenomenal. Consistency भी अच्छी है. Despite the 220 strike rate, he's been consistent. Third highest run scorer also. This guy is clearly meant for very, very, very big things.
I think the other thing this season has also brought is a lot of young Indian players are making their mark. बच्चे जो नाम हमने सुने नहीं थे, देखे नहीं थे कभी, अचानक से आके they are proving themselves.
कोई सब तोड़ रहे हैं.
और bowlers भी आके अचानक से surprise कर रहे हैं. Although I already said कि this is not a bowlers का season, and I don't know, maybe with Bumrah's comeback and taking his first wicket, now rest of them will also follow, because तभी मजा आएगा जब you have this equal fight between batsmen and bowlers. वो struggle होना चाहिए थोड़ा.
Talking of Bumrah, I think most disappointing bowling season for Mumbai Indians. I think top 20 bowlers में एक bowler नहीं है उनका in terms of top 20 wicket takers. Halfway stage, Bumrah taking his first wicket after 5 matches are over and being treated like how he has been treated doesn't augur well even for India going forward, because एक कहीं ना कहीं fear खत्म हो जाता है आपका उस bowler से. I think, but even in Trent Bolt has been disappointing. Santner, Pandya, the Mumbai Indians bowling has been the biggest disappointment of this season to me, and therefore such a huge surprise that they are languishing where they are. वैसे, given their tempo every year, वो लोग on track ही हैं. Halfway stage impossible होता है कि वो आएंगे और फिर वो जैसे आ जाते हैं. I think they've dug themselves up into too big a hole. They have to win today against Chennai at any cost.
No, they have to win every match now. And see, even right now, भले वो number 7 पे है, but उनके पास points 4 ही है. So 7, 8 और 9 में ज्यादा फर्क सबके. The only reason we are at number 7 is because तिलक वर्मा ने वो मैच जो लेके गया और फिर हम लोग 199 रन से I think जीत गए पिछला मैच मुंबई का. So उसकी वजह से वो रन रेट की वजह से हम 7 पे है. Otherwise पॉइंट्स टेबल में देखोगे तो हम हमारे और सब 4 पॉइंट पे 4 टीम है. So we're not.
Clear cut, absolutely ahead of the race. तो पंजाबी है. I mean, they've not lost a single match. The only team which has not lost a single match. And I think KKR, for whatever it's worth, is almost down and out. I don't know what they're up to.
I think speaking of Punjab, that one catch by the captain, Shreyas.
Brilliant.
Oh, catch that will go into the books. It'll always be in the highlights of any kind of a clip that comes on cricket in the future. That little part will always be there. What a catch!
सूर्य और रोहित की शक्ल ही देखने वाली थी बाउंड्री लाइन पे.
अरे
देवर क्या कर
दिया. कैसे अब तक लोग वो सूर्या का कैच याद करते थे वर्ल्ड कप वाला. अब
this beats that.
Hands down beats it completely. So, but having said that, the rest of the Punjab team also, I think उनका body language बहुत ही अजीब है, बहुत ही positive, बहुत ही they are like कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि they are even double thinking, nothing. उनको जीतना ही है.
Results की कोई चिंता ही नहीं है. They are playing true aggressive T20 cricket the way it's meant to be.
Prabhsimran Singh और प्रियांश आर्या उनका opening इतना solid opening है, brilliant. वो हर time they are delivering, every match they are delivering. और जहाँ वो नहीं करते तो श्रेयस आके मार देता है फिर. So Bowlers के लिए
I
बताइए।
think now, I think I'm hoping now, but though I must say this year थोड़ा सा excitement overall public में कम लग रहा है IPL का. I think things will pick up now that the movie Dhurandhar Fever is finally slowing down. I think finally people will start to get interested. I think Mumbai needs to perform well today, and then the interest levels start going up. I think Punjab मुझे लग रहा है, while it's too early to say, but I think it's pretty clear they're in the top 4 now. अभी वो अब एक मैच हारा नहीं है 6 मैच खेल के.
It is, but see, you know, ये game ऐसा है ना, you never know.
Yeah,
What
एक
can happen
you
in
fall
this?
into that rut, then आप हारना शुरू हो
Suddenly वो
जाते.
एक मैच हारे, फिर 2 हारे, फिर 3 हारे, and you know, now you suddenly see, अरे Mumbai is right up there and Punjab has fallen. Or for all you know, Chennai is up there. So although I don't think Chennai has a chance this year, I think they've lost it. Last time say they were a bit disappointing, but this time it's very open key. The captainship is not doing enough that it should. You know, missing out on Dhoni being on the field is affecting them. It's their decision making is poor. Their executions are not that good. Jadeja is not there. I mean, you always saw this one core, you know, कि एक चेन्नई का एक कोर था कि धोनी था, जडेजा था.
जडेजा का पता चलता है तभी when he is not there.
Yeah,
when he's
correct.
not really missing, then you
He's
realize
that kind of a player कि आप उसको जब
But
उसको
that-
वैल्यू नहीं
yeah.
करते हैं, तो जब गया तो अब समझ में आ रहा है कि उनकी हालत देखो क्या हो गई है. They are
Well,
the
Ruturaj and Samson have not been. Samson, of course, has notched up a great century, but consistency, Ruturaj तो बिल्कुल ही fail रहा है. So I think them not performing because opening अच्छा था इस साल. So them not performing has also hurt them.
Yeah.
I think Chennai is in for unless Chennai turns the tables today and then starts to move forward because 4 point पे शायद वो भी है already. तो अब
वो तो कुछ भी सकता है. I agree. See, there was a time जब एक बार चेन्नई जीती थी, जब उसको डैडीज टीम बोलते थे, अंकल्स टीम, डैडीज टीम बोलते
yes,
थे,
yes.
पर फिर वो आके जीत के गए थे. तो हो तो कुछ भी सकता है, बट लग नहीं रहा है.
मुंबई और चेन्नई के केस में दोनों 6-6 मैच ही खेले हुए हैं.
Correct.
You know,
Correct.
ऐसा भी नहीं कि उन्होंने 7 मैच खेले. तो they still have 9 matches to go.
9 matches. Yes.
So they can still come, which is why I think today's match is crucial from a tournament perspective in terms of when these two teams ये लोग आगे आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. I do think though KKR तो almost गया है. I mean, with winning 1 match from 7 and with that kind of a negative net run rate, वो तो बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है उनका.
चलो, since you mentioned, would you care to call today's match? कौन जीतेगा?
Mumbai Indians.
मुंबई इंडियंस.
Yes, Rohit is back.
धोनी आ गया तो, और धोनी पागल
हाँ?
हो गया तो, धोनी आ गया और धोनी पागल हो गया तो.
Too much of a stretch. He has to come ahead ना for that. वो team 19 से पहले आएगा नहीं. He'll keep sending the tailenders. I have my doubts. I still am not sure if he's going to even play, but if he does, I don't think he's going to make that much of a difference. Rohit Sharma, I still believe the one match that he made 78, Mumbai Indians won easily. So I still bank on him too.
Come back.
Of course, subject to how he is today, how his hamstring shows up. But interesting. Who do you? I mean, before we wrap up, who do you think at this stage?
No, I would want Mumbai to win because I'm supporting them. But
no, the 4 to go in the playoffs. Who do you think?
Punjab for sure, RR, SRH, and I want Mumbai to be the number 4. But you never know.
Do you think Bangalore won't make it this time?
I don't think so. I think, see, Bangalore has started off well. They are right now in the top. I don't know. I have my doubts. It's about
And you
it's a
think
matter
LSG?
with them.
And
It's
you've
a matter
already
of one
written off
match.
LSG.
LSG
And you've
नहीं,
already-
नहीं, I have written off LSG. I have written off LSG for sure. I've written off LSG. I'm sure कि और चेन्नई का भी मुझे like I always say with the thing कि यार कुछ भी हो सकता है, but I don't think so. चेन्नई भी नीचे रहेगा. So I agree with you on today's match also कि मुंबई जीतेगा. So
I go with Punjab, Rajasthan, Mumbai, and at this juncture RCB, because they've also played just 6 matches and already have 8 points, and they have a phenomenal net run rate. Their net run rate is the best by far. That is why
I agree.
Totally.
But since we are almost close to ending the thing, none of us even mentioned KKR, and I think Shahrukh.
That's the only one who's surely out. Now
Surely.
the only job KKR has to do is जो अब से केकेआर से हारेगा वो पक्का आउट हो रहा है.
It's, but you know, they've made a disaster. I think you couldn't go more wrong after choosing a captain who's a test player. He's a specialist of test cricket. You pick him up, yes, good, fair enough. पर उसको आप T20 का कैप्टन बना रहे हो. And Sunil Narine is languishing number 5 पे आके नीचे उसको भेज रहे, जबकि वो ओपन कर रहा था जिस सीजन में KKR was doing so well.
They screwed it up when they did not retain Shreyas Iyer. It was a big mistake. How can you let go of an IPL winning captain? It is beyond my understanding.
Beyond.
Absolutely beyond my understanding.
And replace him with Ajinkya Rahane. So, I mean, I have all the respect for the man. Okay, as a cricketer, he's one of the greatest test players. जिसका बहुत short-lived career था, but you'll always remember him.
नहीं, और उसने T20 में भी decent strike rate से बनाया run. It's just that he was not fit right now to captain the KKR. That's about it.
I don't even count him as a see. Decent run is not the thing. You need to have that. जो श्रेयस अय्यर कर रहा था उनके लिए, वो killer instinct, वो जो अभी पंजाब में दिखा रहा है, वो KKR ने lose कर दिया. They lost it to Punjab.
नहीं कर रहा है.
Anyway.
तो अब ये तो I think, I mean, even now he's already scored 200 plus runs in 6 matches. 182 की strike rate पे वो मार रहा है.
क्या फायदा है?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ श्रेयस मार रहा है.
वो श्रेयस मार रहा है. मैं बोला सी, मैं तो रहाणे सोच रहा था, बट रहाणे भी अच्छे रन्स मार रहा है, बट क्या फायदा? That's what I mean.
नहीं, वो तो स्ट्राइक रेट नहीं है ना वैसे.
हाँ, स्ट्राइक रेट नहीं है, वो किलर इंस्टिंक्ट ही नहीं है, और कैप्टनशिप में वो नहीं है उसके पास. वो जो एक T20 कैप्टन के पास होना चाहिए, जो निम्बल थिंकिंग ऑन योर टोज, वो नहीं है उधर. So anyway,
let's see how today's match goes. Exciting times coming up. Let's catch up again.
Yes, and let's now come back for our viewers. जो भी है, at least we should be more consistent so that we get more people to join us. Yes. And listen to us. Yes. See you soon.
See you.